Hi, hello everyone. I am Prashant Dandam. Welcome back to our channel. As a part of our AWS Masterclass series, today we will see session 13, and in session 13 we will be covering AWS System Manager, Event Bridge and CloudWatch monitoring. Okay, now if you see, first we'll go with AWS System Manager, and it is a management service that helps you securely manage, monitor, and automate the operational task across your resources such as EC2 instances. I mean, in simple words, you can manage EC2 instance operations which are going to do it on that, and you can manage the instance and monitor the instance. Okay. And without wasting your time, let's start our demo. Let's start our demo. I'll go to AWS console. And for this, you need to have a EC2 instance. I already have an EC2 instance in my account. If you are not aware of how to create an EC2 instance, I request you all to watch our previous sessions where I have shown you how to create launch instance. Click on launch instance, give name to your EC2 instance, select AMI and instance type and a key pair. Key pair is used to log in into your EC2 instance, and here network. Here we can select VPC, subnets, security groups, all those things. Okay. Upon providing all the details, if you click on launch instance, an EC2 instance will be created. Now we are going to see AWS System Manager, correct? And in System Manager, we have a service which is SSM Agent. We have SSM Agent. Okay. And let give me a moment here. If you see, SSM Agent is a software agent that runs on your EC2 instance, and it enables System Manager to communicate with that instance. Okay. In simple words, if you want to connect your EC2 instance, and the EC2 instance needs to have SSM Agent installed. If the EC2 instance is having SSM Agent installed, you don't need to open port 22, and we can automate patch instance and all those things. You can find the pre-installed SSM agent supported OS list over the link provided here. See, these are all the links, and we already have an EC2 instance. Okay. After creating EC2 instance, click on instance ID, click on actions, security, IAM role. Why we need to have SSM agent installed, correct? Yes, I have selected an AMI image that has SSM agent pre-installed. Cool. So our second part is also completed. We already have an SSM agent, but how you will be connecting to it? You need to have a role which assigned to your EC2 instance. To do that, click on create role, create role for AWS service, and for EC2, click next. Here we need to select the policy. The policy is Amazon SSM manage instance co. Click on next. Give role name SSM policy for EC2. Give name in such a way that the people who are reading the name itself, they can understand the policy. Okay, let's create a role. Wonderful, role has been created. View role. Here we are able to see the policy, right? We can select here. Just to give you again, click on create IAM role, click on create role for EC2 AWS service, and for EC2 click on next. We need to attach a policy. The policy we have selected, right? SSM managed, SSM managed instance core. You have to select this, click next, provide a name and create role. A role will be created. You can find that in the roles. Upon creating a role, just come back to our EC2, refresh the page. You can see the role here, SSM policy for EC2. Click update IAM role. If you see, the policy has been assigned. Now click on connect. If you see here, SSM manager, it's showing offline. Let's wait for a while. You can connect now from fleet manager. Search for fleet manager. Fleet manager. After clicking on fleet manager, you can see your instance here. It will take some time. Just wait for a while. In the managed roles also, we can see our instance. Click on instance, click on node actions, click on connect, start terminal. You will get the terminal. You can search who you have, two users, ls. So this how we will connect to our EC2 instance in managed nodes using SSM agent. Just to give you in brief, in using system manager, we can monitor the services and manage securely. We can automate the process and we can connect to EC2 instance seamlessly without port 22. To do that, we need to create a EC2 instance, and after creating EC2 instance, we have to assign a role. After clicking create role, we have to assign SSM in Amazon SSM managed instance core policy to the role, and upon creating successfully, come back to EC2 instance, add the role here. You can add by clicking instance security modify IAM role, and after updating, wait for some time. Meanwhile, you can verify here. If you see here, SSM agent, it was unable to start earlier, but here if you see, SSM agent worker started, and after SSM agent worker is started, we have verified in fleet manager our EC2 instance appeared successfully, and we clicked on instance, then node actions, then connect, start session terminal. You will easily verify this session here. If you click terminate, it will end the session. This is how you can connect to EC2 instance. I mean Linux EC2 instance. You can try with the Windows as well. To do with Windows, you just need to launch a new EC2 instance again. Click on launch instance, give name as Windows EC2 AMI. We need to select AMI. Let's see which Windows Server Nano versions it seems. Windows Server 22 will go. Windows Server 22. Select this. I'll subscribe on instance launch. Cool. I'll go with free tier AM. Yeah, this is free tier T2 micro. key pair. uh, let's create new key pair for Windows. I'll go with OpenSSH. Here I'll change the details to my custom VPC. If you are not aware, I request you to verify our previous sessions where we clearly explained how to create EC2 instance using VPC, and we have also had a separate session with the complete VPC. Click on launch instance. We'll wait till the instance launch. Cool. Click on ID. Let's wait till it start. Cool, it's running. Click on actions. We already had a IAM role created, right? Click on security, modify IAM role. Select the role which we previously created, update IAM role. Now the instance is having IAM role. Go back to Fleet Manager, wait for some time. The instance will appear here in 2 to 5 minutes or some. Let's wait. You can check meanwhile if SSM Agent installed or not. Click on connect. Let's verify if security check is done or not. Yeah, it's still security check is going on. Let's wait till it finishes. So basically we have seen how to connect for Linux missions which has pre-installed SSM agent, right? Similar way we are verifying it with Windows. That's it, nothing else. Let's wait till the status check finish. And meanwhile, do you guys know what is this status check 2x2 check passed? If not, the status check 2x2 means the check one, it checks if the actual physical hardware and power cables are working or not. And this check 2, I mean status check 2, it will check if the operating system, whatever it may be, Linux or Windows, started up and is responding to the network or not. These two it will check, and once everything is done, it will show green, and it will be ready to use. We can use it. Cool, it's done. If does not, then let's verify this thing. Click on connect. SM agent still offline. Maybe it is trying to restart. Let's refresh the page. Here if you see, it is showing SM agent status is offline. We have to wait some more time. We'll wait for 1 or 2 minutes. If that doesn't help, then we'll try to troubleshoot by using RDP client. Cool, wonderful. If you see, the SSM agent is showing as online and it's ready to connect. You can connect directly. It came into PowerShell. Okay, that's okay, cool. Now go to Windows. You will be seeing both instance here. Click on Windows, click on Node Actions, click on Connect, click Connect with Remote Desktop. By this you will get the complete these things. Windows 1. Let's browse our key pair. I downloaded it, correct? Yes. WinKeyPem. I'll upload my key and I'll click connect. Now the window will come. Just a minute. Cool. Great. And again, it does not require the RDP port as well. Okay. I'll allow copy paste everything. We haven't passed our credentials. We just use the key pair. We browsed it and just selected connect, and it's loading now. I'll just wait till it comes properly and we can disconnect. Cool. SM agent is running. This is how, I mean, how to connect using SSM agent with the help of Fleet Manager to an instance which has pre-installed SSM agent. Okay, and if you are selecting any other AMIs which does not have SSM agent pre-installed, then you have to follow the steps which will be showing here. I mean, how to install, all those steps you have to follow. That's nothing, you can just go through the steps you can find. I pasted the official link in our GitHub readme file, and I also mentioned the role which we need to go. Cool. Hope you like the session, and I kindly request you all to subscribe to our channel for more DevOps related courses. I see most of you guys are watching the videos but not yet subscribe to channel. Please subscribe so that you won't miss any videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.